Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A40. I'm going to show camera pro mode on it. At first we have to click on the camera button here. And now let's take a look at this settings bar here. To get access to more advanced settings, we go to the right by the slider, and as you can see here we have the pro mode. So pro mode gives us a possibility to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. I think this is useful when we want to improve our photographic skills. So let's start. We start with this settings bar here. The first one here is the ISO button, so we can control the camera's sensitivity to light here, as you can see, from 100 to 800. And by using this manually, we can easily go back to the auto ISO by just tapping on this button with manual here. And the next one here is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. As you can see, we can make it more warm or more cold as we need. And also to get back to the auto white balance, we just tap on manual here and we go back to the auto. And the next one button here is the exposure compensation. So here we can make our picture more bright or more dark as we need. This is how it works, as you can see. And now let's take a look at these settings around. All of that are in the standard camera, so I'm not going to talk about it, but let me point you on this. Here we have the mattering, so here we can change the mattering, as you can see, center weighted mattering, matrix mattering, and also the spot mattering. And now I'm going to take a picture. And as you can see, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.